Oh my god.
Gotta stop, gotta stop.
Connor seriously got
And
him
yeah,
the bluntest. Here it goes. The transplant of the power supply has been handed over to Connor.
With great power comes great responsibility.
The question is, can you put it in as fast as it came out?
No, probably not.
I hope everything goes in.
Well, let's take a selfie because we still have time.
It's you and me again. I need to make this right.
The confidence. The confidence.
Just remember, it's righty-loosey, lefty-tighty.
As we know, I'm a bit of an expert when it comes to cable management, so this is going to be a good one.